So in this video, guys, I'm going to show you guys how to actually leverage an AI tool where you can actually get YouTube shorts and YouTube automation shorts that are going to automate the entire process for you. And you guys can leverage AI to create these shorts for you without you ever having to lift a finger or do anything for that matter, right? So we're going to stick to the same exact topic that we were on, the top 10 most expensive cities in the world. Here's a video idea, basically how Opus.pro works. And this is the site. Opus.pro will also be linked in the description. Basically, what this allows you to do is for you to go and literally get the links to YouTube videos. Once you get the link to a YouTube video, you can bring it here. And once you bring it here, you can generate clips. It literally tells you guys our algo works best for talking videos, video podcasts, educational videos, commentary videos, product reviews, motivational speeches. It doesn't work well with vlogs, gaming videos, or music videos, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go over to YouTube, right? And I'm just gonna use this as an example. Typically, the best way to use this tool is in a motivational niche. That's just where it works best. But if you wanna do this with captions, all you can do, or all you have to do is copy the link to the video, go back over to Opus, click paste, and then all you're simply going to do is get clips. All right. Now, what it's going to do is it's going to get the video. And then when it gets the video, it's going to go ahead and start generating you guys clips. Now, the estimated wait time it will give you is 8 minutes. And it's going to show you processing. And you can literally just wait here on this page. But the cool thing about Opus is it gives you a free 1 hour and 17 minutes, right, as your trial. So you literally have a trial for 30 days and you get an hour and 30 minutes. So you can leverage this. An hour and 30 minutes is a long time. Keep in mind, they're basing it off of the length of the video. So this is a 12-minute video. It's going to go ahead and break it down for me and analyze it. But understand this, it does take some time. So I'm going to let it finish. And then after it's finished, we're going to go ahead and see what it spit out for us and all the analyzations that it did so that we can know what the best short from this video to use is. And we're going to be good to go. So we're finally back, guys, and it finally completed the entire video and created shorts for us. Now, the thing about this video is it's not necessarily made to be a short because it is in the top 10 city or most expensive cities niche. So it's basically made for like podcasts and just motivational videos and things of that nature. But I still wanted to give you guys an idea of how you can do this if you are going to be in those niches, right? But as you guys can see, it literally gives you a score of why it will go viral, and it literally tells you a description. It says the video effectively captures viewers' attention with an intriguing hook about whatever this says, high cost of living, right? And so then you can click play. So you guys kind of get the point of it. It is low res preview, so this is not even the highest quality it can go. But not only does it give you one short, it gives you literally, I can literally keep scrolling. This gave me 12 shorts in total. So you can literally make those videos with AI like I taught you guys how to do. Then what you can do is come over to Opus.pro. And then what you can do on Opus is you can create shorts from those videos that you just created. And like I said, you never had to lift a finger. You didn't have to pay anything pretty much, right? And you can keep on doing this over and over and over and over and generating income from your YouTube channel. So this is how you do YouTube shorts or YouTube automation shorts with AI, and just keep on leveraging those clips that you're getting and those videos that you're getting made to just create more content. And you can even leverage this on other platforms like Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, of course, TikTok, and so many other places you can put this on that will get more reach and grow your channel ultimately.